Hey there, everyone. I hope you're all having an outstanding day. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad fuel pressure regulator. The fuel pressure regulator plays a crucial role in maintaining the right amount of pressure in the fuel system. This ensures that the fuel injectors release the correct amount of fuel to achieve the perfect air-to-fuel ratio. Today, we'll specifically focus on vacuum-operated pressure regulators. Keep in mind that some newer vehicles might not even have one, as they use a built-in fuel pump module to control pressure electronically. Let's break down the symptoms of a failing fuel pressure regulator. First symptom is check engine light cell illuminated. While there's no direct code for a vacuum-operated fuel pressure regulator, you might see related diagnostic trouble codes. A common one is P0172, which means the engine's air-to-fuel ratio is too rich. If left unchecked, this could lead to codes for misfires, as a rich condition often causes carbon buildup on the spark plugs, preventing them from igniting properly. Second symptom is fuel in the vacuum line. Inspect the vacuum line connecting the regulator to the intake manifold. If you find fuel inside, it's a sign of a torn diaphragm. A healthy regulator should never allow fuel to leak from the vacuum port or lines. Third symptom is poor gas mileage. Are you making more frequent trips to the gas station? Extra fuel being sucked into the intake manifold leads to increased fuel consumption, which results in reduced fuel efficiency. Fourth symptom is rough idle. An imbalanced air-to-fuel ratio disrupts the combustion process, causing inefficient burning. This can lead to rough idling and noticeable vibrations when the vehicle is stationary. Fifth symptom is overall poor engine performance. For optimal performance, the engine requires the right air-to-fuel mix. Extra fuel entering through a damaged regulator throws this balance off, leading to sluggish performance and a poorly running engine. Sixth symptom is hard start or no start. A torn diaphragm can cause prolonged rich conditions, leading to carbon buildup on the spark plugs. This buildup can prevent the spark plugs from igniting the air-to-fuel mixture, making it hard for the engine to start or worse, causing it not to start at all. And there you have it. These are the key symptoms of a bad fuel pressure regulator. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's essential to address the problem promptly to avoid further damage to your engine or emissions system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and troubleshooting guides. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.